Hi everyone, I'm Andy from Travelwest. I'm here today to talk to you about the Kalkhoff Jubilee, which is our latest electric bike to join our fleet. It's a really good bike, it's super powerful, it's got a great battery on it. What you get with the loan is the bike itself, you get a cycle computer, you get these two panniers which are attached to the bike. It comes with a battery charger, the battery itself. You also get a de-locking cable for securing the bike. The bike also has built-in lights at the front and the rear. So to adjust the seat, you've got a quick release lever here. Open it up, set the seat at your height, and then close the lever again. Then if we come around to the front of the bike, we've got an on button here, which you hold down, turns the computer on. On the screen we can see several things. Here we've got the battery indicator, which shows us how much power we've got left. The next you've got the speed you're travelling at in miles an hour, how far you've cycled here, and these in the middle are how much power assist you're getting from the motor. To adjust the assist, you've got a plus and minus button here. It starts off with 0 assist, which is just like riding a normal bike. Next you've got eco, which is the minimum amount of assist. Sport is a medium amount of assist. Power is the most assist. Then we come around to the front, you've got the lights here. They're turned on with this button at the back. The Kalkhoff comes with 7 gears controlled on the right hand side by this grip shift. 1 is the easiest gear, all the way up to 7, which is the highest gear. Make sure you use the gears to avoid wearing the battery down. To check the battery level, look on your cycle computer. Here you can see we've got over half the battery. When it starts to get low, you want to put it on charge. You can either charge it on the bike or remove the battery and take it to a charging point. So this is the charger. Comes with a 4-pin plug which plugs into the battery here. To unlock the battery, you've got a key. The key's here. It's in the horizontal position at the moment, which means the battery is locked in place. Slide the key in, turn it to the left to the vertical position, and then take the battery out. Then to put the battery on charge, lift the flap, plug the charger in. It's a 3-pin plug at this end, so plug it into the wall. When the battery is fully charged, it will go up to 100%, and you can take it off charge and put it back on the bike. Just be a bit careful when you put it back in. You've got some holes here and some pins here. You just put it back in, lock it into the lock position, and then give the battery a tug to check that it doesn't come out. Always take the key with you. If you leave it in the lock, your leg will hit the key when you're pedaling, so put that safely in your pocket or in your pannier. So when you're out and about, you want to secure your bike to something immovable, like one of these Sheffield stands. The first thing to do is to turn the power off with the power button. Then take out the cable, thread it through the front wheel, and then back on itself. Take your D-lock out, put the cable through the D-lock, then the D-lock through the frame and the back wheel. Making sure you lock around the Sheffield stand itself. Now we've got the front wheel, the back wheel and the frame secure. Next thing to do is to take the battery with you. Take the battery out, and remember to take the key with you. Then check your panniers are empty. You can leave the panniers on the bike as they're secured with the bike, and you're good to go.